today's video, we're going to have a look at ABML site progress. We're also going to talk about some recent price action, and we have some directors finally gone off. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Hold Sell. Hope of course you are all well. My last video, we covered it on May 10th, and at that time the price had fell down to 0.87. ABML in short has pretty much followed this general market sentiment. There's a lot of people crying and moaning about a lot of individual stocks. Oh, this stock sucks because it's doing this and that. Open your eyes, guys. It's the whole market. We're in a bloody bear market, okay? So give ABML, give other stocks that are massively down, cut them some slack. It's nothing to do with RAM, nothing to do with slow progress, nothing to do with anything like that. It is purely done to the markets. That is it, rant over. Now we'll have a quick look at the chart. I will do proper TA towards the end of the video, but let's just have a look at the price actions. In my video, I did it came out on the 10th, but I'd actually recorded on the 9th of May. We were at 0.87, and we can see since then, we've climbed well over 6.5%. So it's not a bad rise in a couple of weeks. So I'm sure most people are content enough with that. We can see that on Friday with the general market, everything going up. Surprise, surprise, ABML went up. I mean, look at this here, the last 15 minutes of trading, nearly 2% rise. So that is nice strong gains. Go to the website then. Not much update. Space frames, steel decking, roof have been installed and preparations have begun in phase 2. If we jump to the shareholder who's done this website, which is very good, I recommend everyone going on and have a look at it. Again, I'm a full-time qualified quantity surveyor, a full-time qualified project manager, and I'm on current projects that are much larger scale and value than the current project here. So I can tell you right now that every construction project and every site, generally speaking, there's some sort of delay, there's some sort of unforeseen issue, especially in this climate right now. It's very hard to navigate. Inflation, all the things that are going up, and I have allowed in my expectations some sort of delay or some sort of issue or some sort of overpayment or some sort of extra claim that's required or whatever. And again, unless something's changed, the last time we looked at this here and the due diligence, the way it's done, this is based on a Gantt chart, and the Gantt chart is just pretty much your program timeline. It gets updated, generally speaking, on it could be a bi-weekly or it could be a monthly basis. I very much doubt that we have the insight here in this that tells us the exact date, probably based on an old program, and I just want to make that clear. I'm worried that this could be giving people more expectations. Just be prepared as shareholders. If 26 days the doors aren't open and the ribbon isn't being cut, do not be crying. We will see, but it's nice, it's good website, and like I said, not taking anything away from it. But what I will say is, although this mightn't be the most accurate program in the world, this guy has been going out to site by the looks of it, taking photographs and doing whatever. So I would imagine this person has some sort of construction background, expertise. Otherwise, you know, fair play to him. or she, I don't know for sure. But this is, the site, we can see it's going very well. We just scrolled down the news then, it came up, we were talking about him attending this Waste Expo. We can see the Ryan's picked up a few awards there, which is good, bit of networking, good to get the name out there, and we can see all the guys here, everyone looks very happy with the waste and recycling industry leaders are all there. We can see updating site. Talk again of Tesla, there's no coincidence, all this is being talked about. We know a lot of their employees currently are ex-Teslas, Ryan Meltzer being one of them. Just an article that actually came out as well, just talking about generally the 3.1 billion that's being pumped in. Then we have this pinned tweet: on an elemental basis, nothing is really consumed in the way that we use things. That is a quote from Ryan Meltzer. Listen to the Rising Leaders panel on the Waste Expo. So he's quoted that, and you have a podcast there that you can go on and click the link. So I suppose anybody that's interested in ABML should have a look at that and get a good idea. Now this news just came out today, and it's currently 11 AM on Saturday morning. I'm going to put this video out on Monday. Statement that changes the beneficial ownership, marketscreener.com. This is terrible. I have no idea how to read this or what's happened, but thankfully if you scroll down and go to the original link, it'll bring you to the original link. If we click on this, we can see here pretty much what it is yet another change of beneficial ownership. William John Hunter is out the door. We've had Doug Cole, we did a Doug Cole video when he was sort of stepping down, and then there was the, in the background, how to do a formality things. This is all the formalities coming through. This is finally, about over a year later, finally sort of the dead wood, the old guard passing on, major stakeholders selling some shares. Just be prepared for maybe market volatility over the next week or so with people maybe selling. I don't know, maybe we'll get more clarity on it, but listen, let's just put up the charts here. We'll have a little, sort of last little look then and see what kind of way this is all going. We during the cup and handle, I'm not going to go over this, I bored you all to death for this. During the cup and handle, we sold at 170, it's fell down. I've been topping up on the way. I topped up I told you I topped up at 126, topped up at 0.84, and now we are sitting at 0.9. So since May 10th, which was here, has anything changed? Have I bought any more? No, I haven't done anything. The reason I haven't done anything is because the share price really hasn't done anything. We've pretty much just went sideways. RSI MACD is looking just virtually flat. What we're looking for is to sort of see a 0.1 as a level of, well, you can maybe bring that down just ever so slightly, but what you're looking for is this to get over $1 and build support. Gets over that, then we're in this channel, and we can see here that from this channel, the last time we were in it, it was 29th of July, and we was on a downtrend, but it was till the 23rd of December. So a good solid 5 months was the last time we were in this channel. Not completely loving this TA that I've just done, but I've just drew this quick line. It could be a potential falling wedge, and falling wedge would be a bullish sign. If we can break out of this, we could see a potential rise. My only issue is, as we know, the markets aren't very stable. Now we do have, I'll just do a quick bit of TA on the SPY for you, and put this into my Discord if you want to get in and chat about ABML and chat about pretty much every stock we cover in this channel and general market. I drew this here, sort of said, look, this is how I foresee it going. I can see us getting a rally. We can see here it's looking very strong. Good bullish sign. Buy symbols come in. You get access to all these indicators in the trading course as well, which is going up. This video is coming out on Monday, which is going up on Wednesday. We're putting the price up on Wednesday due to the demand, due to everyone signing up, and thank you to everyone that's in the Discord. And I'll even just bring up some of the reports that we're getting back here. Finally made it, loving the course. Signed up a few days ago, absolutely loving the indicators. Now I can stop gambling. Couldn't agree more. I joined a few days ago as well and it's opened my eyes a fair bit. Time to make changes. At this rate, the course will pay for itself within a week. It's a no-brainer. If you have no idea what you're doing, or you think you know what you're doing and you're maybe more of an intermediate level, you're still going to get great value in this course for very little money. That's enough of the promo. Sort of a measured move on that would be in and around. I mean, again, this is very rough. I'm only doing this live with you now, but a measured move could see us go up into about the 150 mark. So again, it would put us into this channel, build up a bit of support and throw it in and around. But like I said, the general market and potentially the likes of Dog Code, the likes of William, these guys that are out the door with all the shares, you know, millions of shares between them, potentially some sort of sell off there. It could be choppy. This is the 2030 plus hold, so don't be too panicked if it does sell off a bit, or if it does rally, potentially take some profits. I'll guide you through it all, so make sure to like and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate everybody that helps me out there. And if you're interested in watching the video where I look at all previous recessions, we talk about average prices, we do a lot of math, a lot of calculations to work out where the market bottom will be potentially coming, the reasons why I believe there is more pain unfortunately still to come. This is the video for you then. This will tell you all about the market bottom, how you can prepare, how you can get ready, take advantage of a potential rally that's coming now, maybe close out a few trades, protect yourself as best possible. It's all this video. Make sure to like, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.